Greetings, everybody. This is Mr. Asker Green, and I'm here to give you some instructions on how to submit your work for Night at the Museum virtual style. So first we're going to start off with creating an account at fast.io. So right here you're going to come to fast.io. There is no .com, it's just .io. And you are going to enter in, actually you're going to sign up for an account, and you're putting in an email address and a password that matches their requirements. And then you're going to, I agree to the Fast.io terms of service, and then sign up. So they sent you an email that you had to respond to be able to verify your account. So I'm gonna go ahead and get logged in. And this is what it's going to look like when you first log in and get started. It's going to ask you to create a new site. Now, I've already created a site here, but I want to, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when you first come in. It's going to ask you to create a site. And with the free account, you can get up to 5 sites. So you can call this whatever you want. You can call it Night at the Museum. You can call it Peanut Butter and Jelly. It doesn't really matter what it's called. I'll just call it Example for now. And I'll click next, and then you get the option to choose what cloud server you want to use. So I use Google Drive all the time, so that's what I chose. But if you use Dropbox or any one of these, feel free to go ahead and connect with one of those. So if I click on Google Drive, enter the name that describes your site. And this is kind of cool because this is the URL for your link will look like. So for example, I put in maybe like Night at the Museum, NATM, and you want to use something that's maybe unique to you. Maybe your first initial last name, or your first name last initial, or something completely random, okay? I'll just do, oh, I don't know, I'll just type in something like that, and I probably won't like that. And we'll get rid of this. Sorry about that. Okay, we'll try that, and then I'll create the site. And there it is. So now it's going to go ahead and connect those two. Anytime I add a file to the new folder that's been created in my Google Drive, it will show up here. And that's what I'm going to show you next. So step 2 coming up. Here we are on Google Drive. I've looked down in my drive under all of the folders that I have, and I see that I have one called fast.io, and that's what was created when I connected it to my fast.io account. And you'll see I have that initial one that I put in, NATM, and here's that other one with the crazy letters I put in. And I don't have anything in this one because I haven't put any folders or files in here, but I have in this one. So let me show you what I have in here. And I've just added a bunch of different files just so that I could test these out and make sure that all the different types of files are working in different sizes and whatnot. So this is all you do. You just drop them in here, and then they'll show up back on your Fast.io account. Now that I have all of my files in my, I'm going to use my Night at the Museum folder as an example here. So once I have all of my files in here, now I can go back to Fast.io and look inside the site that I created, that I put all my files in, and you'll see that they're all there. And anytime I add new files, it will automatically sync. You don't have to do anything, it just automatically does it. So what I want to do here is I want to get the link to this file. So for example, if I take, say, this MP4 right here, I'm going to go all the way over to the other side. You see these 3 little dots. I'm going to click on those 3 dots, and I've got some options. The bottom one is copy link. So I will copy the link, and then that is what I'm going to put into the submission form. However, there is one more step you need to take if you are going to be submitting a video. This is only if you're going to be doing a video, and that's what I'm going to show you next. So for videos, we have to put the link now into another service called Streamable. And this is only because the service that we're using for our 9th Museum requires it to come from this URL. So you'll need to come here, streamable.com, and you'll need to sign up. If you click the sign up, you get the sign up here. You can go in with Google or Facebook or create your own. Well, I've already got a login, so I'm going to go ahead and just log in. Okay, so I've gotten into my account. I've added a few videos here, but basically all you're going to do now is you're going to take the link from Fast.io and paste it in here. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm going to grab this link right here. I'll copy that link, come back over to Streamable, paste that link, and it will find that video, and I will create the video. Now, if you want to crop it, you can do that. If you want to put the sound on or off, you can do the time. You can put it in and out, however you want to make, customize your video and then create the video. So what we're looking for here is we want to copy this link. We're going to copy the link. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to put it into the submission form, which is what I'm going to show you next. Now that you have all of your files and the links to those files, you are going to now submit your artwork to us. And you're going to use this submission form that was provided by your instructor. So please read through all of this. It is very important information. The whole thing is really important, so make sure that you're reading it carefully before you fill in each section. It is going to be collecting your email address, your student email address, because you need to log in with your student account, your Poway Unified School account. So once you do that, you are going to be putting in some information here. I'll put in... Here I am. I'll put in this one. And for the grade level, just choose your grade. And then you're going to put in a contact info if you choose to. This is optional, but it would be helpful to have a phone number or email address just in case something goes wrong with your file and we need to get a hold of you. The next thing is choose your teacher, your instructor. Also choose your course. Click the next button and you will be asked to type in a description. Please read this section. This is information that will be shown to the viewer, and this is information that would just help the viewer understand your piece that you're submitting a little bit better, have a little bit more understanding of why you were creating this. So I'm just going to put in some text because it's required. Click the next button, and here's a little bit more about your piece. You're going to give it a title. I know, really good one there. And this is where you put in your link. So now if you are submitting just an image, you are providing just the Fast.io link to your image. There is also another image or another option with the image. You can add a complementary audio file, which I will talk to you in just a second about. And then the third option is your video. So if you're doing a video, if you're submitting a video, you must use the streamable.com link to submit your video. And that's about it. So let me talk to you really quick about the audio file. If you want to submit an audio file, I would just use your phone or some other device to record on, and then send that recording to the cloud storage that you set up with Fast.io. So Google Drive, just put it into that folder. It will show up, and all you're going to do then is provide the link, just like you did for your artwork. And that's really it. So submit it, send it to us, and we'll get it put into our virtual Night at the Museum. Thank you so much for going through this tutorial and providing us with all that information. I hope you enjoy it as much as we are creating it, and we look forward to seeing your work there. Bye bye for now.